Want to use your Xumo Box on the go or where Wi-Fi is limited? You can easily connect it to your smartphone's mobile hotspot. First, enable the hotspot feature on your Android or iOS device. Find it in Settings under Personal Hotspot for iOS or Mobile Hotspot for Android and turn it on. On your Xumo Box, go to Settings, then Network, and select Wi-Fi. Scan for available networks and choose your phone's hotspot. Enter the password, and you should be connected. For best results, ensure your Xumo Box has the latest firmware to optimize hotspot connectivity and reduce potential latency issues. A stable 5G connection will provide the best streaming experience, but be mindful of your mobile data limits. Xumo recommends at least 5 megabit per sec for SD streaming and 25 megabit per sec for HD. Keep in mind that streaming video consumes a lot of data. A 2-hour HD stream can use 2 to 3 gigabits, so monitor your data usage to avoid overage charges or throttled speeds. Use WPA3 encryption for your hotspot to secure your connection. Position your phone close to the Xumo Box for optimal signal strength. If you experience buffering, try lowering the video quality settings on your streaming app. Tethering is a great solution for temporary setups or areas with poor broadband, but it might not be ideal for heavy users due to data limitations. Also, remember that using your phone as a hotspot can drain its battery quickly, so keep it plugged into a power source. Consider using data monitoring apps to track usage and avoid surprises.